Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best MamoPay integration for e-commerce. So let's quickly dive into it. MamoPay work well for online stores with ready-made plugins for Shopify, WooCommerce, and PrestaShop, making setup quick and easy. It also supports multi-currency payment, cards, Apple, Google Pay, and recurring payment. For custom website, use the MamoPay API with incline checkout to keep customers on your site, reduce cart abandonment, and handle subscription or refunds smoothly. Test in sandbox mode before going live for best result. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more e-commerce payment tips, and comment which integration you will try first. And that's it.